Have you ever wondered how water moves around the planet? Let's take a quick journey through the water cycle. It all begins with the sun heating water in lakes, rivers, and oceans. This energy causes the water to turn into vapor in a process called evaporation. The water vapor rises into the sky and cools down, forming clouds in a process called condensation. When the clouds become heavy, water falls back to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. This is precipitation. Some of this water collects in rivers and lakes, while other water seeps into the ground, replenishing underground water sources. And then the cycle begins again, creating a continuous process that supports all life on Earth. That's the water cycle, an essential process that keeps our planet healthy and alive.